So today we will start from the combination of the resistance, and in this category we will study about the various combination of resistance like series combination and the parallel combinations also. So first of all, if we're talking about the combination of resistance, then there are two ways of joining resistor together. So there are two methods of combination of resistance. The first one is series combination and the second one is parallel combination. एक श्रेणी क्रम है, एक समांतर क्रम है, समानांतर क्रम है. Okay. And first we will discuss about the resistance in series. The resistance in series. So you can see in the diagram when two and the more resistors are connected end to end consecutively. When two and more resistors are connected end to end, so they are said to be connected in series. So in this case, you can see here R1, then R2, and then R3 are connected consecutively end to end. So this type of connection is called series connection. इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है कि जो रेजिस्टेंस R1 है उसके एंड एक एंड से R2 का एक एंड कनेक्ट हुआ रखा है, R2 के दूसरे एंड से R3 का फर्स्ट एंड जो कनेक्ट हो रखा है. So you can define the resistance in series when the two and the more resistors are connected end to end consecutively, and they are said to be connected in series. So you can see here, if we apply the voltage V here, then the voltage drop across the each resistors are different. Here V1, here V2, and here V3. So you can say the voltage drop across the R1. The voltage drop across the R1 is V1. The voltage drop across the R2 is V2. And the voltage drop across the R3 is V3. So the voltage drop in the series connection, the voltages are different and it's depend upon the value of resistors connected in series. So ये जो वोल्टेज है सीरीज कनेक्शन के अंदर, ये वोल्टेज अलग अलग होगा. V1 इसका V2 इसका V3, और ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा? वैल्यू ऑफ R1 के ऊपर V1 डिपेंड करेगा, वैल्यू ऑफ R2 के ऊपर V2 डिपेंड करेगा, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ R3 के ऊपर V3 डिपेंड करेगा. बट हम जब इनको कंबाइन करेंगे, इफ वी कंबाइन दीज थ्री ऑल, V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3, देन इट्स इक्वल टू द टोटल वोल्टेज V. जब हम इसको टोटल करेंगे इनका V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3, तो ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? टोटल वोल्टेज ड्रॉप के इक्वल हो जाएगा, जो कि V है. So when a number of resistors connected in series, are joined to the terminal of a battery, this is the battery which has the potential V, and each resistance has a different potential different across its end. देख रहे होंगे कि आपकी R1 के अक्रॉस जो मैंने बताया कि वोल्टेज V1 है, and the voltage difference across the R2 is V2, the voltage difference across the R3 is V3, but the total potential difference across all the ends of all the resistor in series is equal. That means V1 plus V2 plus V3 equals to total V. So you can say here in the series connection, voltages are different and the current is same. Current is same in all resistors. You can see here the current is I. So the I, ये I current ही R1 से flow करेगी, I current ही R2 से flow करेगी, and I ही R3 से ही flow करेगी. So current is the current is same in series connection and the voltage are different. Okay. So when a number of resistors are connected in series, then the same current flow through the each resistance. So we have already discussed about that. The voltage is different across the resistors, but if we talking about the current I, अगर हम करंट I की बात करते हैं, तो सेम करंट फ्लो करेगी R1 से, सेम ही करंट फ्लो करेगी R2 से, सेम ही करंट फ्लो करेगी R3 से. The same current flow through the R1, R2 and R3. So the conclusion is that in case of series connection and the series combination of resistance, the voltages are different across the resistors, but the current are the same through these resistors. So resistors in series. So there are mathematical modeling of the resistors. So the figure shows the three resistance R1, R2, and R3 in which is connected in series. So now suppose potential difference across R1 is V1. So we already suppose that the potential difference across the R1 is V1, potential difference across R2 is V2, and the potential difference R3 is V3. So let's potential difference across battery V is given by, and the total potential difference across the battery V is given by V equals to, we already discussed about that, V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So the total potential difference is the sum of voltage difference across the resistors. That means V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to total V. So you can see here V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को? Okay. So applying the Ohm's law to the whole circuit, then according to the Ohm's law, V equals to IR. We all know about that. V equals to IR. So if we write the equation for the V1, so V1 equals to I into R1. अच्छा, कोई बार को ये बता सकता है कि यहाँ पे I सब में सेम क्यों लिखा है? If we write down the equation for the V2, then V2 equals to I equals to R2, then V3 equals to I equals to R3. So you can see here in the series connection, the current I is same. The current is same in the circuit, but the voltage is different. Okay. So you can write the Ohm's law according to the Ohm's law. V1 equals to I into R1, V2 equals to I into R2, and V3 equals to I into R3. And the basic equation is given by V equals to IR. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can write it here
Yes.
from the equation number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can write it here. You all know about that V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We all know about that. Okay. And the value of V is given by IR. The value of V1 is given by, the value of V1 given by, what is the value of V1?
IR1.
IR1 plus, what is the value of V2? IR2 plus, what is the value of V3? IR3. So you can see here IR equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Okay, यहाँ तक इक्वेशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम? There is any problem in this equation? No? Okay. So IR, you can write this equation in such a way: IR equals to, you can take I common, then R1 plus R2 plus R3 here. Okay. And this I is cancelled out by this side. Okay. So what is remaining? R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the final concluded equation. R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 in the case of series connection. So therefore we conclude that the sum total resistance in a series resistance connection is equal to the sum of all the resistance. That means the total resistance R is equal to the summation of R1, summation of R2, and the summation of R3. So you can write here R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So the second case is the resistance in parallel. You can see in the diagram the resistors R1, R2, and R3 are connected in the parallel. And you can see here the total current is I. But at that point, the current is divided into three parts. So in the resistors R1, the current is I1. In the resistor R2, the current is I2. And in the resistor of R3, the current is I3. So is it clear? In the parallel connection, you can see here the value of current different. But The voltage across the R1 is also V. The voltage across the R2 is also V. And the voltage across the R3 is also V. And V is the total voltage, total battery voltage. So you can say here, you can say that in the parallel connection, the voltage is same, but the currents are different in the parallel connection. The currents are different in the parallel connection, and the value of current is depend upon the value of resistors connected in the circuit. कि पैरेलल कनेक्शन के अंदर जो वोल्टेज है वो सेम रहेगा, बट अब इसमें क्या है कि करंट चेंज हो जाएगी, और ये जो जो करंट की वैल्यूज है, जो अलग अलग जो करंट मिल रही है I1 I2 I3, ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है? द वैल्यू ऑफ R1 R2 एंड R3. So how to define the resistance in parallel? When two or more resistors are connected between the same point, they are said to be connected in parallel. This is the one point. सारे के सारे रेजिस्टेंस इसी एक पॉइंट के ऊपर कनेक्टेड है, और दिस इज द सेकंड पॉइंट. The other ends of the resistors are connected at the same point. So you can define when two or more resistors are connected between the same points, they are said to be connected in parallel. And when a number of resistors are connected in parallel, then the potential difference across each resistance is same. So we already discussed about the potential difference, or the potential difference across each resistor is same, that is V. The potential difference across the R is also V. The potential difference across the R2 is also V, and R3 is also V, and total potential difference is V. Okay. But if we're talking about the current, then the different amount of current flow through the each resistance. Different amount of the current flow through the each resistance. And but the current flowing through each parallel resistance taken together is equal to the current flowing in the circuit as the whole. That means the total current is given by I. The total current is I. I is given by I1 plus I2 plus I3. So the total current is given by I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Thus, when a number of resistors are connected in parallel, then the sum of current flowing through all resistance is equal to the total current flowing in the circuit. That means I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. अगर हम पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करते हैं सारे रेजिस्टेंस को, तो जो करंट जो उनके थ्रू जो ईच रेजिस्टेंस के थ्रू जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, वो टोटल करंट अगर हम लोग करेंगे, उनका समीशन करेंगे, तो टोटल करंट क्या आएगा? आई आएगा, जो कि सर्किट में स्टार्ट हुआ था बैटरी से. So the total current I is given by the summation of all parallel currents. That means I1 plus I2 plus I3. So if we you can see the mathematical modeling here. The figure show the three resistance R1, R2, and R3. Okay, connected in parallel. So connected in parallel. So now suppose current across resistors R1. You can see here the current across the resistor R1 is I1. The current across the R2 is I2, and the current across the R3 is given by I3. So the total current is given by I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. एक चीज नोटिस की आपने कि when we talking about the series connection, then we took a summation of V, क्योंकि हम लोग V ले रहे थे, V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3, क्योंकि सीरीज में वोल्टेज डिफर कर रहा था, बट पैरेलल में क्या डिफर कर रहा है? करंट डिफर कर रहा है, करंट चेंज हो रहा है. तो मैंने जो इक्वेशन ली है वो यही तो ली है ना कि I इक्वल्स टू I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3, बट सीरीज में क्या था? V इक्वल्स टू V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. सो ओम्स लॉ अब करंट की फॉर्म में मैं कैलकुलेट करूंगा. ओम्स लॉ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में देखना. तो I इक्वल्स टू V बाई R according to the Ohm's law. I equals to V by R. Okay, so I1 equals to V by R1 because voltage is same in the parallel connection. You can see here voltage is same for the R1, for the R2, for the R3. So you can write here I1 equals to V by R1, I2 equals to V by R2, and I3 equals to V by R3. So from equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can write the value V by R because it's given by total current I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So you all know about that the value of I is given by V by R, then the value of I1 is given by V by R1, and the value of I2 is given by V by R2, and the value of I3 is given by V by R3. So you can see here V by R equals to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Okay, so V मैंने common लिया, and after taking the common in the bracket I upon R1, sorry 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, and V is cancelled out by this term. So the final term is given by 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in the case of series connection, the previous one, in the case of series connection, the total R is given by R1 plus R2 plus R3. But in the case of parallel connection, what is different? 1 by R equals to given by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Therefore, we conclude that the sum total resistance in a parallel resistance connection is equal to the sum of reciprocal of all the resistances. That means sum total resistance in a parallel resistance connection is equal to the sum of reciprocal of all the resistances. You can see by this equation. Okay. So if we compare the series versus parallel connection, then the first column shows the serial number, the second column shows the criteria, and this is the series. This is for the series connection. This is for the parallel connection. If we're talking about the equivalent resistance, if we're talking about the criteria named as equivalent resistance, then in the case of series connection, equivalent resistance is more than the highest resistor. The equivalent resistor is more than the highest resistance. That means R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the total value of R is highest. कि रेसिप्रोकल नहीं है, ये समेशन है, डायरेक्ट समेशन है, R इक्वल्स टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3. तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? हाई होगा. पैरेलल के केस में क्या होगा? लेस देन और इक्वल टू द लोवेस्ट रेजिस्टर. If we are talking about the equivalent resistance, and the amount of current, you all know about that, the amount of current. What about the amount of current in series? The current is less as resistance is more. सीरीज कनेक्शन में करंट क्या होता है? सेम होता है, सब रेजिस्टेंस के थ्रू जो फ्लो करता है करंट सेम फ्लो करता है. तो जो वैल्यू ऑफ करंट जो होगी वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगी? द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. अगर हाई रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू है तो करंट की वैल्यू लेस होगी. दोनों रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं, हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था करंट और रेजिस्टेंस का कंसेप्ट. ठीक है. और इन द केस ऑफ पैरेलल करंट इज मोर एज रेजिस्टेंस इज मोर. In the case of parallel connection, the current is more as resistance is more. Okay. So we can say here the current is depend upon the value of resistance. So the third criteria, switching on off. Switching, that means on or off criteria. So in case of series connection, if one is appliance is switched off, then other also do not work. You all know about that. The all devices are connected in series. You can see here. If R1 is open circuited, then current flow through the R2 or R3. Is current flow through the R2 or R3? अगर मैं यहाँ से R1 को रिमूव कर देता हूँ तो करंट फ्लो थोड़ी करेगी, मेरा ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा सीरीज में. तो ये भी क्या करेंगे? वर्क करना बंद कर देंगे. यहाँ पे अगर कोई मान लो बल्ब लगे, 3 बल्ब लगे होते हैं, बल्ब 1, बल्ब 2, बल्ब 3. बल्ब 1 को मैं यहाँ से कनेक्शन में से हटा दिया, तो यहाँ पे मैंने ऑफ कर दिया, कनेक्शन हटा दिया, रिमूव कर दिया इस कनेक्शन को, तो आगे वाले भी काम नहीं करेंगे. तो सीरीज कनेक्शन में सिर्फ यही दिक्कत होती है हम लोगों को कि इनकी जो स्विचिंग, जो कंट्रोलिंग है, जो ऑन ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग, वो सबकी एक साथ ही हो जाती है. अगर आप लोगों ने भी एक सबसे अच्छा एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूँ, घर में जो आप लोग यूज करते हैं ट्यूबलाइट, फैन, ये सब, तो ये कनेक्शन किस में होते हैं? पैरेलल में कनेक्शन होते हैं. दैट मीन्स you have separate switching, you have separate switch to control the fan, to control the bulb, to control the LED, to control the press, to control the oven. Am I right? आपके पास में सेपरेट स्विच है सब चीजों डिवाइसेस को अलग अलग कंट्रोल करने के लिए. दैट मीन्स ये पैरेलली कनेक्ट है। अगर मैं यहाँ से R1 को रिमूव कर देता हूँ, यहाँ से रिमूव कर देता हूँ, तो क्या R2 R3 वर्क करेंगे? करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ से ये करंट इसके अंदर फ्लो करने लग जाएगी, यहाँ नहीं जाएगी। तो जो घर में हम लोग देखते हैं, डोमेस्टिक जो एप्लीकेशंस जितने भी होते हैं, उनमें क्या होता है कि पैरेलल कनेक्शन होता है। अगर कोई तुमसे पूछता है कि जो डोमेस्टिक हाउस वायरिंग जो होती है वो सीरीज कनेक्टेड होती है और पैरेलल कनेक्टेड होती है, तो आप लोग बोलोगे कि वो पैरेलल कनेक्टेड होती है। अगर सीरीज कनेक्टेड होती तो मैं स्विच अगर फैन का दबाता तो लाइट भी बंद हो जाती है उससे। कई बार सीरीज में जोड़ जाता है ना कोई काम इलेक्ट्रीशियन, तो होता क्या है कि उससे फैन और ट्यूबलाइट एक साथ कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो जब स्विच में बंद करता हूँ तो दोनों एक साथ बंद हो जाते हैं। ठीक है। So in the case of parallel, if one is appliance is switched off, then other work independently. Clear? Appliance failure. If one appliance stop working, none of the appliance will work. It's the same as the point 3. अगर एक ने भी काम करना बंद कर दिया तो सब ने काम करना बंद कर देंगे. But in case of parallel connection, if one appliance is stop working, other will work independently. And the criteria, potential difference, if we're talking about the potential difference in the series and the parallel, then in the series, each appliances receive maximum potential difference. In case of series, each appliances receive maximum potential difference. But in case of parallel, potential difference is divided. So each appliance receive less potential difference. Less potential difference. Potential difference की बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay. So thank you very much for your kind support. And if you have any query, then you can ask me.